Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yay! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tiger nut milk at home. It's super easy and you can make this within 5 minutes, trust me. What we're going to be needing, of course, is tiger nuts. And tiger nuts is an amazing nut that's very popular in Ghana. It's full of so many nutrients and vitamins. It's great as a dairy milk substitute, gluten-free, vegan-friendly as well. So without saying much, let's look at how to make the tiger nut milk at home. So first of all, you need about 1 cup of tiger nuts, which you wash and soak overnight to hydrate the nuts. This makes them very luscious and ready to eat. And you're going to do it first of all by pulsing in your blender. That's like rough chopping. And then you're going to add a little bit more water, so roughly about 1.5 cups of and you're going to need a very clean kitchen towel or a cheesecloth to squeeze out the milk from the fiber. And once you do that, you're good to go. You just have to squeeze really tightly to strain the milk from the fiber, and voila, there you have it. Very nutritious, very easy to make. Add the tiger nut milk into whatever you're baking. You can drink it on its own. You can make a porridge out of it. It's amazing. You don't need to throw the fiber away. You can add that fiber to your pancake or your cake topping, etc. Okay guys, so I hope you've learned something new and exciting today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe and to turn on my post notifications. Anytime I upload new content, you're going to be the first person to get it and to watch. So thank you guys so much for coming by. Have an amazing week and stay safe, guys. Bye.